Wednesday night in Kona, Hawaii. I can't even believe I'm saying that. But it is. It's Wednesday night in Kona, Hawaii for Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer. Soon to be 65 next in a week. Gonna be at a luau. Woohoo, I'm so excited. And anyway, it is shot night. And just because we're in Hawaii, just because we're thousands of miles away from home, with a ton of traffic and people everywhere, doesn't mean we're not getting our shot in. 15 milligrams, Mounjaro. And you take out the base, nothing's changed. And we unlock it. I haven't felt any different except for being completely exhausted. Could be the trip and the flying and the altitude. And the fact I'm an old woman. Could be a lot of reasons, but yeah. Still dragging. But I'm not letting nothing stop me. I'm still going. I'm still running after my friend who is on human crack, self-made, inside, I'm not saying that like that. She just has the energy of 20 people. No pain. She doesn't suffer from pain. She hasn't had a concussion recently either. She's only had one knee replacement. I've had 2. She don't need new hips. I do. Don't worry, it's all gonna be okay. I've had my shot. Hopefully it'll give me some more energy, but yeah. Oh, I seen this holistic place down the street somewhere, and for my birthday, we're gonna have a luau, but I seen this holistic place down the street with massages and all this kind of stuff, but I seen the injection B vitamin to give you energy shots. Probably for a lot of people that are on the GLP-1s, I'm assuming. Twan from Traces of Twan. Now, she said that it worked right away. She felt it instantly. So maybe that's what I'll get for my birthday and just treat myself to that and get myself some energy. That's what I'm going to do. I'm calling them tomorrow. I'll let you know what happens, okay? I'm going to turn on some music. It's Debbie coming to you from Hawaii, the badass baby boomer. Going to be 65 in 4 days. And I have lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I walk again. No wheelchair, no walker. And I got lucky and got invited to go to Hawaii for 18 days to babysit a cat. Is that not the greatest thing ever? Well, it is. It's the greatest thing ever. So right now, this couple weeks, I'm coming to you from Hawaii and sharing my great adventures. And we've had many so far. I filmed a bunch. Editing the software isn't working so great. And by the end of the night, you guys know I'm fried. I tell you that all the time. I'm fried. Oh, but really fried. Here, I got a good sunburn yesterday. Love you guys. It's me in Hawaii. 11 years ago, I was almost 400 pounds in a wheelchair, stuck behind windows watching everybody else have fun. And today, I'm 230 pounds lighter. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I don't have to use a wheelchair or a walker anymore. So my whole life has changed. Recently, after a domestic violence incident, my girlfriend heard about what happened and offered me this trip to Hawaii with her. Come and babysit her daughter's condo and, her daughter's cat. Condo would be fine. She could have locked it up. But Miss Naya, the most beautiful cat in the world, and my new sweetheart, she needed watched. Look at that ocean behind me. I gotta start getting the right backdrops, figuring it out. But it's like beautiful everywhere here, so Everything is just so gorgeous. And you guys, okay, I took my Mounjaro shot. I filmed it and everything. I'll probably hook it onto this video. But I have not a clue what I weigh, because we asked about a scale in the condo where we're staying, and they're like, no, absolutely not. We do not have a scale because we do not want to know what we weigh. Which, that's funny. I lived without a scale for years and didn't know how much I weighed, and that was kind of my problem. I was ignoring the problem. And now, 11 years ago, I decided to change my life, and now I have a life. I have a life, and it's possible. If you are stuck in the same situation I was, my editing skills are here. I can't put my little pictures up where I'm in a wheelchair. I mean, maybe I can. The internet's bad, though, and my editing software is not working here. So I'm just having to, put them on as they are. The real me. Well, it's always the real me. But, those little fun things you can put in for editing, like cutting out the bad part. Like that, because I always forget to take my gum out. Yeah, but the gum keeps me from eating too much. That's a little trick. I chew that gum I don't want to eat. Brush my teeth I don't want to eat. Just little things like that. Little tricks you gotta learn when you want to cut out those bad eating habits that you developed. And I got a whole bunch of them, people. A whole bunch of them. And I've been doing that here in Hawaii. A lot of because there's snacks around. That's what Chris and I both were talking about. I go, I'm eating a lot. Nonstop or eating. And she goes, yeah. She goes, me too. And I go, I think it's because it's here. In my house, we don't have a lot of snacks. And here, they loaded us up with snacks. Plus, we've been buying our own, which it's been a treat. It's a vacation. And I'm still exercising every day. So I'm hoping that helps everything. But I tell you what, you can always change your life. You just have to make up your mind. And I am so glad 11 years ago that it clicked for me that I was going to have to do all the work to save myself, because nobody is out there to save you. You have to save yourself. So that's what I did. And I've used several things. The first 130 pounds was just all me, grit and hard, and a lot of it was hard, but I just switched to really super healthy foods, not processed, got a water aerobics. Then after that, I got a gastric bypass. That helped a little bit. I already had a stomach surgery for acid reflux, and my stomach was not in the best shape, a lot of scar tissue and stuff, so I didn't get the greatest results from the gastric bypass. My A1C started going up there, my doctor put me on Ozempic. She goes, this might help you with your weight, but I'll help you with that A1C. Didn't help me with my weight. Ozempic didn't seem to make a bit of difference. So I fought for 9 months to get Mounjaro. And I've been on Mounjaro for 16 months now, 15, 16 months. And I've taken off at least 50, 60 pounds with that Mounjaro since. I've been on, no, a little more than that, 90. More like 90. I'm so bad at these numbers. Forgive me. I will figure it all out and get it straightened out later in editing. God, you guys. It is so much fun. It's so relaxing here. My concussion, I believe, is getting better because my headaches have been a lot less here. I'm getting that under control with meditation, a lot of meditation, and just studying how to relieve stress. And I'm doing it. I'm doing it. There was a song Downsizing Diva was singing the other day. Doing it well. I don't think it was about losing weight though. But anyway, thank you, Downsizing Diva. Thank you, Twan. Thank you, Sweet Kim. Thank you, all the ladies. Alonda, all you ladies on this app. Mindy. See, I should have wrote all your names down because there's so many and I'm forgetting them, and there's so many new people that have joined the group that I'm really excited about. That's what I'm doing here, catching up on people's videos because I'm not doing so good at making my own. That's all right though. I'm in Hawaii. I'm on vacation. I'm in Hawaii on vacation. And my 65th birthday is in a few days, and we're going to a luau. Stay tuned for that. Still hoping to live stream. I don't know if they'll let me do it at the luau, but I would like to. If not, I'm going to do it from the beach. Yesterday I had great internet at the beach. We were in front of this super, super luxurious billion-dollar hotel, and they can't block you from the beach, so you can use the beach anywhere. Just can't sit on their chairs, but we did. Can't use their towels, which we didn't. But there was tons of empty chairs, and if there's empty ones, you can have them. We found one empty one. We didn't see any others that people were able to sit at, but this one, my girlfriend goes, I think we just got lucky. But we've been getting lucky anyway. I mean, we're lucky to be here. Pure luck. Yeah, love you guys.